Well, hello and welcome in day 6 of 7 in the bonus week video series here for the holiday season 2020. One video a day every day for 7 days leading up to the Christmas holiday. It's the bonus week at the back of the book. One idea a day, every single day for 365 days. Every day corresponds to a date on the calendar. But I have an extra chapter in the back called Keep Going. It's the 53rd week of the year, but you probably don't know about it. If you own the book, of course you know about it, but if you follow me online and you watch my videos and you hear me sharing, every day I share what corresponds to the day. But that means we don't get to the bonus week because it's an extra week of the year. So I thought this year for the holidays, I would share the tips that fall in the bonus week. This is day 6. It is Saturday. We started on a Monday. Even if you're not watching on a Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Day 6 is Saturday. The Saturday tip in the bonus week. On, off, either. On, off, either. What's that all about? There's a right and a wrong way to remove and replace detachable blades on clippers. The blade should be put on a clipper and engaged with the blade drive only when the clipper is turned on and running. Blades can be removed when the clipper is on or when the clipper is off either. A blade driven in motion, clipper on, will engage cleanly with the cutter blade. A still blade drive, clipper off, will likely jam the blade drive and damage the drive pin, thereby reducing clipper power and hastening blade drive wear. Okay, that's a mouthful, but it's important. If you use rotary motor interchangeable detachable blade clippers where these blades, come on and off like that, on, off, either is the memory aid, the reminder for proper management of those blades. Let's plug this guy in and let me show you what that means. It's one thing to read you the little story and tell you about it. It's another thing. I'm still here. You can still hear me. I'm still involved, but I am just walking over here to plug the clipper in. Might have should have done this before the video, but hey, I didn't look ahead to see what the tip was going to be. So, yep, I'm back. Here we go. On, off, either. What that means is you only put a blade on the clipper when the clipper is on. Turn it on. The pin is moving back and forth. You set the blade socket down onto the hinge. The drive pin is moving, and you snap it in. And it cleanly engages with the blade, and off it goes. Off, either. You can take a blade off when the clipper is running, and you can take a blade off when the clipper is off. Off it goes. And the reasoning is this. You see the hole in the blade drive, in the moving blade, in the cutter, is square. And the pin that pushes it back and forth is square. It sits that square pin in that square hole. But what happens is you take a blade off your clipper, and let's say the blade stopped with the hole to that side, but the clipper stopped with the pin to that side. If you don't turn it on, and you can probably see this a little bit on camera, notice that the drive pin and the blade socket are not lined up with each other. That hinge, it's got a lot of spring pressure. If you slam that blade down now, the pin's not going to cleanly engage. You can damage the pin. But by turning it on, setting the pin in motion when you engage, on, cleanly catches the blade and off it goes. This is about protecting the blade drive pin. This is about ensuring the power delivery of your clipper. This is about the long-term quality performance of the tool. On. Put it on when the clipper is on, but off either. You can take it off when the clipper is off, and you can take it off when the clipper is on. Just push the blade away. That is your tip for the day. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, share the video with a friend. You know how all that stuff works. We got one left in the series. Video 7 will happen tomorrow. In the meantime, get yourself a copy of 100 by 100 paper, digital, or audio at ivanzoot.com. Get your free copy of 100 by 100. What a perfect holiday gift. 100 new haircut customers in 100 days guaranteed. No better gift you can give a haircutter than 100 new customers in the coming year. And of course, the big and bigger Busy Barbershop bundle. This is year one, year two. For you, it might be 2021, 2022. Business building tips for haircutters and haircutting businesses. Right now, the book's got a free $20 bonus deal. Pay $35 for $60 worth of books and the famous 4-piece Choose Your Weapon comb set. ivanzoot.com for all the books and all the deals. And be on the lookout, January 2021, there's a brand new book coming out. The newest, latest book from me coming out in January. Thanks for watching. Have a happy holiday season. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.